I see rejection of that CB, and my entry is as price trades higher into it. I'm looking for mid gap of open range gap. I'm looking to see price trade way down into full gap closure and a trade below New York PM lows on regular trading hours. So at this point in time, I'm short 4 contracts, 26 handle stop. I'm looking to see price trade to the open range gap, mid gap right now, and I'm noting low hanging fruit objective at pre-market lows. So trading below that 50% of implied gain range is hit right there, open range gap midpoint hit right there. I take 2 contracts off and I remove risk on the trade. Price displaces lower, is about to hit the lower quadrant of this gap up, rather than a gap up on the opening range gap. So it's a gap up, we're about to hit the lower quadrant and hit there, we hit it. Price has traded down into the lower quadrant as well of my implied trading range. And I want to see price move lower. Since it just took Asian stops, I took 1 contract off. 1 contract was taken off at Asian lows. Price got to the Reaper, started retracing. I'm being patient, trying to hold the last contract for my full objective. And as I see this retracements up, I'm counting arrays. ICT teaches that after 3 PD arrays are disrespected, your ass is next, or your stop loss is next, you know what I'm saying? So I want to see price stay below this current array I'm about to draw. I'm about to draw a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and I want to see price stay below that level at all costs. Invalidating it is going to mean this trade is not good and I'm going to get out of that last contract. So see the bodies of the candle respecting the CB. I want to see that respect stay in price. I want to see price move lower, displace towards the New York PM lows. And at this point, I'm aggressive. I'm aggressive in taking profits. I'm up more than 3 hours on the trade. I've trade stops down to that CB. Any breach up above it is going to mean I'm out of the trade. It means I'm wrong. So at this point in time, after seeing this displacement close to the low, I take the last portion off and I'm willing to study to see how price trades down to my objective, which is New York PM lows, and probably the drawn liquidity, which is going to be the 4-hour BC.